My daughter, what brings you?
Nai, you know that waiting for carry rain the pursue, they're important to her. There's these two couple living in Senyag with me. But they cry. Ever since those two couple entered the yard, I have not had a good night rest. Every night, they will be disturbing me. And I don't like troubles. Every night, you'll be hearing different types of noises. Like, you'll be hearing, sometimes you hear the woman shout, "Kill me, oh, he has killed me, oh, he has killed me, oh." One day, I even ran to their door, I knocked. I wanted to go and rescue the woman. I was thinking that the man was beating her. I don't like troubles. You know me now. When I got there, they nearly killed me. Oh. So, because I'm single. I'm not married. Whenever they are making such noise and sound, if they touch me for body, you understand? My body will be doing me somehow. I don't like troubles. I like to take the good. So I want you to give me something that if I sprinkle it on their door, the marriage will end. That is early morning, tomorrow morning. I want to see the husband throwing the woman's bag out of the house.
It's okay.
But they cry.
Otologbaji have heard your complaint. No more, my daughter.
I know what you can do.
Otologbaji has heard your complaint.
I know what you can do.
I will find something.
Who is calling me? Hello? Hey! See, I'm in the flight now, going to Abuja. See, the reason you got me on phone now is because our pilot stopped by to ease himself.
Jesus!
What did you just say?
You are lying in my shrine.
And you shouted Jesus in the shrine.
Is God, oh.
Karu, you that lie that your pilot went to ease himself. Pilot and Anwamele.
Chief priest, now shout to Jesus.
Hey!
I thought it's only pastor that have fake pastors. So you don't have fake chief priest.
So, hey!
You shouted.
So, Karo, you can lie in my shrine.
And you have been collecting money from me.
You don't even fear Otologbaji and you are lying here.
Hey! Fake!
So my shrine is now a moving plane.
Here is God, oh.